Domestic violence is an unfortunate reality that can affect anyone, no matter what your social or economic status. If you are the victim of domestic violence, or if you've been accused as the perpetrator of domestic violence, it is crucial that you retain experienced domestic violence legal counsel to, one, ensure protection of your physical and emotional safety, but also to ensure your legal rights if you are the accused perpetrating party. Domestic violence does not necessarily need to be a physical altercation or a resulting physical injury. Actions that disturb the peace of another, that harass another, can constitute domestic violence. And so it is very possible that you could have perpetrated domestic violence and never had a physical confrontation with the person who's making the accusation against you. Domestic violence is an important issue in family law cases because it can have an adverse effect on other portions of your case. The main one that comes to mind is custody and visitation of the children. If you are a party accused of domestic violence and you have had a restraining order issued against you, there is a rebuttable presumption that the children of your marriage or the children you have with the protected person should not be in your custody and care. This can turn into a very, very critical issue. For this reason, if you are a party accused of perpetrating domestic violence, it is critical that you seek legal counsel from an experienced family law attorney. Because if you don't, and a restraining order is issued against you, it can have adverse effects on other sections of your case. If a moving party has alleged domestic violence at the hand of the restrained party, they may have approached the court and obtained a temporary restraining order. The duration of a temporary restraining order is typically 21 or less days. One can obtain an ex parte temporary restraining order without actually having both parties present in court. Usually the person who is then restrained by way of the temporary restraining order would have 21 days to seek legal counsel and come back to court for an evidentiary hearing on the merits of the allegations. I have numerous years of litigation experience here in Orange County handling domestic violence cases. I've represented both the alleged perpetrator of domestic violence as well as numerous victims of domestic violence. I understand how this issue works. I understand how the Orange County courts view this issue and have an abundant amount of expertise and experience in handling these cases.